Wait. You don't. Oh, thank God, Chineke and I can let again. You don't tell why they love search for you everywhere. Hey! See, I don't think to myself. All the money went there for my house don't finish. Let me say, I know the kind of thing. You can't if you don't come now, Chafo, mom. No, Chafo, leave my number. Wait. See. Education. See, I have serious problem now. Now I come, make I meet this my friend. Make you help me solve the problem. But I don't see education. I know education will help me. Education, see, I have serious problem now. I want to make una help me. Help me, oh. You see, don't worry, that's your akara money. I go pay him. I go give you double set. That's your akara money.
You don't come again, Abi. You won't carry another 3 come, Abi. You don't come.
No, see, do not be trick. I mean, I will give you the money. Oh. Just help me. This big problem when I did now. My father say I be Igbo. My mother say I be Igbo. And you know they born me for Hausa. Now this fight when they get for Hausa land. Now you carry me come village here.
See. So wait. You think you can deceive me again, Abi?
No.
See, if you like, come from Kotangola. If you like, come from Beriagran. See, give me my money.
Oh, I don't have any money here.
Give me my money.
I don't have money here.
What do you carry?
Na laptop, but not be my own.
Give me.
Oh,
see, give me.
No, now I will give you. Oh,
Now me, you want to play another distance.
Wait. How can we help you?
You see, there is one girl when I want marry. It's true, the girl don't grip, but the problem is say the girl say I don't know how to speak Igbo. That be the problem. So I want to say, make una teach me how to speak Igbo so that I go fit marry the girl. It don't finish, oh. That is the problem.
Yeah. Is that all?
Bam, it's here.
You know that the way you see the girl, you know what you call him? You first of all call him Mbeke.
Bam, that is a good name.
Wait. I go call him
Mbeke.
Once if you call the girl Mbeke, the girl first of all attention, you don't go move anywhere.
I'm going to call you Sekoro.
I tell you, you see ya. You go down there.
You see, wait.
Legode anyagi. Idia. All the car.
Anyagwo.
Good.
You don't finish it.
Anyagwo.
Another one. Wait. Then the next one we go follow. We go sweet up. We say you there. I say you yourself now. And yourself.
You go point yourself.
Abu. Wait.
I'm saying. Ezigbo onyoshi.
Ikwu aka last one. Yes, I go.
Abu. Ezigbo onyoshi.
Then that one you go happy. You can let us say, Abiam, Kauzuru Gidoji. Nah.
Gonna happen every day. Huh?
Abiara. Kauzuru Ginoshi. Okay. Na Abiara. Kauzuru Ginoshi. Na. See, I don't know if I know where they go now. The girl escort her friend go somewhere and he won't pass.
What? Man, follow you.
I get channel number.